and today will be my first ever YouTube video. So I'll be doing a 100% honest review on Mush slime. So please show some love to this video. I purchased from them 6 slimes and I received so much of candy, bark and a care sheet. The first one I purchased was Gummiberry Juice, and this was 55 rand. It was scented like raspberry and topped up with some fruit fimo slices. This was super clear and the scent just made me want to gobble it up. This next slime is called Grape Slush. It was 45 rand. It was scented as grape candy and had few slushy beads on the top. I did add an extra bag of slushy beads to make the slime so much more crunchier. This slime was super crunchy, and after I added the slushy beads, it literally doubled in size. Next slime I'll be reviewing is Wish Upon a Star. This was 55 rand. It was not scented and it included a pearl paint. This slime had amazing bubble pops, and the best part was after I added the pearl paint, this got so much more prettier and it left a really nice pearly effect. This next slime is called Macaron. It's an unscented cloud slime. It was 65 rand and had some fake sprinkles on the top and pearl pigment powder. This slime was super floofy. The only thing I really didn't like about the slime was that it did leave a slight residue on my hands. This next slime is called Nanabhai and it was 40 rand. The scent was so soothing. It was scented as fresh linen and had some star sprinkles on the top. This slime was a little jiggly but super stretchy. This next slime is called Cuddle Pop and it was 45 Rand. It's an icing slime. The yellow is scented as pineapple and the pink is scented as raspberry. This slime was so sizzly and inflates so much after you play with it. It's also really spreadable, which makes it amazing. The only thing I found a little pricey about this package was that delivery costed me 125 Rand. Other than that, this package was amazing. I would rate it a 9 out of 10. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.